Hello and welcome back to Tech Idea. In today's video, I'll be showing you how you can view your Facebook password. And before I proceed with my today's video, give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new. Now without further ado, let's start with our today's video. Open your browser. I'll be using Google Chrome to show how you can view your Facebook password. On the topmost right hand side, click on the three dot icon and go to settings. Then from your left hand side, go to autofill. Under autofill, select passwords. Scroll down and you can find saved passwords. Over here you will find all the passwords that you have saved. Under site it says facebook.com. Under the username it says my Facebook username, and then I have password. Now click here to view your password. You need to put your username and password once again. Once you give your password, you will be able to view your password. I hope my video was informative. Comment and let us know your thoughts and queries. Feel free to suggest us if you have any request for our new videos. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notification whenever we upload something new.